I'm Satya, and I go to Norfolk High School. And here's my project. It's the ball tracking robot, and I picked the ball tracking robot because I thought it would be dope because the robot tracks a ball and it follows it. And my first milestone was me completing assembling the chassis and also finish up the wiring or do the wiring. And here it is. It's pretty messy, but as you can see, here's my breadboard. Here's my Raspberry Pi, and here's the H bridge. So here are all the wires connecting it, and here's the H bridge. And basically, like to try to sum it up, it tells the motors to go like forward and reverse, kinda. And some challenges were setting up the Raspberry Pi. That was pretty difficult because it's a really long process. And I'm gonna try to work on cleaning up the wires after I'm done with the coding, make sure everything works. And yeah.